Hi, today we're going to be unboxing Takara. Let's get the camera focused. There we go. Takara Tomy's Crossfight B-DAMAN tune-up gear CB-37 TWiN magazine. Here's a little picture of the TWiN magazine in card form. It does attach to TWiN Drazio, who is owned by Basara. You can attach two Wilo magazines to the TWiN magazine. This magazine is, let's see, where was it? I believe it's on, right there. It's a rapid fire type. On the back, it gives plus 12 to the rapid fire ability of a B-DAMAN. The highest stats for power, control, or precision. And rapid fire goes all the way up to 20. This adds a plus 12 to it. Now let's open this up. The UNBAGiNG. They do put tape on here. Lots of tape. So let me just peel off all this tape here. There is little staples in here. There you go, the camera picked them up now. Use something to kind of open up the staples. And there's a reason why you don't want to cut the plastic off from this side and just remove it that way. Or, you know, just whip the thing open. Because in a minute here I'll show you why. Just carefully undo this. Because of course this is somewhat a model kit. So that's why you don't want to just tear this blade off of here. Because it tells you how to put it together to actually build it. We'll set that aside for now. By the way, I bought this online. It comes to us from, the seller name is 88 PowerPid 88 from Amazon. The seller, her 88 PowerPid 88 is also on eBay, so you can look it up on eBay and Amazon. Of course, like I said, I got this on Amazon, and it ships things out real fast. I ordered this like about a day ago, and in the mail, so about between 2 to 3 days to deliver it. Super fast. He's in Washington. He's sending it out to me within, like I said, a day or two from when I ordered it. Super fast, and does the excellent job of making sure your packages are shipped to you with care. They're not damaged. I highly recommend him. Plus, he also does free shipping for the shipping and handling. All you do is pay the base price of what this costs. This, I believe, was either $14.88 or $15.88. But shipping and handling is completely free from 88 PowerPid 88. Cannot stress it out enough. If you're going to buy any B-DAMAN or especially tune-up gear, definitely buy it from 88 PowerPid 88. He is one of the best sellers to buy any accessories or B-DAMAN from. Also, check out IAT's World Reviews channel on YouTube. And I definitely recommend you subscribe to IAT's World Reviews channel. He does excellent B-DAMAN and tune-up gear reviews. So, on to the B-DAMAN tune-up gear. Let's open this thing up. So what we have here, a little card I guess you could call it, or pamphlet somewhat. A little bit more of what the thing does, how it works. We'll set that up to the side. Only one sprue in this kit. So let's open it up, or somewhat, and assemble it. I do recommend when you're working with sprues, use these type of pliers. They work excellent when you get up in all these little sprue parts. Especially when you got like smaller things, like if you're familiar with the Gundam model kits, when you're doing like little antenna head crest parts, very tiny, very fragile pieces of plastic, these things work the best. Sure, you could use whether model knife to cut them off, or little sprues with, but I wouldn't use that because the knife break away, and it might actually end up damaging your little piece that you're trying to get off of the sprue. So, simple, that sprue's done. What I will recommend model knife for, or a hobby knife, is to just clean it up and just smooth it out a bit.